How to create poll on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create poll on Snapchat. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, you will land on this page. Here, capture a photo, video, or select a photo from your gallery in order to use the background for your poll. And once you have chosen your background for the poll, now at the right side, you'll be able to see different icons. Tap on the sticker icon just above the scissor icon. Once you tap on it, in the space here, you'll be able to see different options. Simply select the poll option at the top, and then here you will need to enter your question. After that, select emoji from here, and then you can see you have created a poll on Instagram. Now you can tap on the send to button at the right side and send it to your friends. Select a person and then tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right. Now you can open the chat page of that person, and here inside you will need to tap on this view more option. Then tap on view poll. By doing so, here you'll be able to see the number of votes that person has given to your option. So by following these steps, you should be able to create a poll on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.